So Tom and Ernie here were almost our national birds instead of the bald eagle. I mean, they're colorful, but somehow the messaging just didn't land perfectly. You know what I'm saying? Do you ever wish you had someone you could bounce ideas off and get the messaging just right? Is there a situation that is just spiraling and you're like, if I could just have a professional crisis communicator to talk to for like 15 minutes just to check over this post before I push it, I've got your back. I wrote steady. I basically cloned my 25 years of strategic communication, every response I've done, every intake I've done, every situation I've come across, and I turned it into an AI. So check it out. When it all goes wrong, .app. Try it out for free. Talk to Alara and yeah, see what you think. So you don't end up as dinner instead of America's national bird. I mean, Tom's not going to be dinner. He's too cute. Look at him. He's too fluffy and cute. He can't be dinner. Ernie's definitely not dinner. Right, Ernie? They're too cute. Right? You guys are pardoned. You're hereby pardoned. Go, be happy. Well, you're good dancers. That's also why you're pardoned.